All right, we're in Florida now, and we're at the PP Building, also known as Pinnacle Point, or Pinnacle Port. And look, it's the Krusty Krab. Grocery cards. You'd think this place is a grocery store. And the cool thing about these buildings in Florida, you can just walk right in. And actually, real quick, I'll show around the lobby. I like a water fountain. Check this one out. Oh, this one isn't really, this water fountain isn't really fountaining, but the other one is. This is very nautical themed, which makes sense, it's Florida. There's a spectre hiding there. But look at that. That's cool. It's a water fountain in the lobby. Oh, wow. That goes all the way up. Someone looked out right as I panned the camera. Dewhurst fixtures. Wait, what? Are they on different controls? Uh-oh, flashing lights. That's not my camera doing that. That's the actual lights in the elevator being weird. Cavinder. My first Cavinder elevators. Hey, wait a minute. Oh, this only serves odd floors. Oh, this must be one of those places where they only have, where the residents, where the things pick up 2 floors each. How's it going? Are the units here all 2 floors each?
Ours, I think they are.
Yeah, because the elevators only go to the odd floors, so I was wondering.
Yeah, I think they're each 2 floors.
Oh, yeah, I'm just making a video about the different properties. Have a good one. Oh, yeah, look, there's a distance there. And there's the fountain we just looked at. This is a nice place, though. I like this building. It's very open, which I like. Oh my goodness, speaking of open, look. There's a gap. That's interesting. Look at this one now. I don't know what these originally were. These probably were like some sort of local brand. Or they maybe were US. Wait, no. I think that's a Otis still. Let's get a picture. Okay, yeah. I'm not sure what these were originally. These might have been Otis. My phone does not like this indicator. It's got very nice Dewhurst fixtures. We'll send this one up because I want to look at the certificate quickly. Coming. That is very strange. So that call station lights up, but this one doesn't. So I don't know if this one. That one doesn't even do anything. It's very strange. What floor are you going to? I'm sorry. I was just kidding. I'm sorry.